Hey guys, it's 2026. I'm gonna tell you guys my top 5 pieces of hockey gear. Number 5, we got the Flylight Skate. That thing, money. Look at that, looking clean. Number 4. Coming in at number 4, the Warrior Bag. These things come in all the colors you can think of, fully customizable. These things are sweet. Number 3, the bucket on my head, Super Tax. These things are sweet. Check that out. Number 2, FT8 Pro gloves. Love the all white, matches the jersey. And then coming in at number 1, the brand new Vision Stick. These things are sweet. You need to grab one. So come on down to Al's and grab yours today.